It seems like you may be referring to the concept of tree planting in a specific context, but the term is not widely recognized in standard agricultural or particular practices. However, if you are referring to the practice of planting tree, seeds, or seedlings, together, this can be a common method used in various farming and gardening techniques.
We can use the 3R method. First one is reduce. Minimize waste. By reducing consumption and production, we can minimize the amount of waste generated. This leads to less waste that needs to be managed and disposed of.
Second, reuse. Extend product life. Reusing items extend their useful life, delaying the need for new product and reducing the overall demand.
Third, recycle. Conserves natural resources. Recycling helps conserve natural resources by reprocessing materials into new products, reducing the need for raw materials extraction. This is the second, say no to plastics. Environmental benefits. Reduce pollution. Plastic pollution is a significant environmental issue, with millions of tons of plastic ending up in ocean, rivers, and landfills each year. Reducing plastic use helps decrease this population.
Second, conserve natural resources. By using less plastic, we conserve the fossil fuels need to produce it, as well as the energy required for plastic production and transportation.
Third, protects wildlife. Many animals are harmed or killed by ingesting plastics. Debris reducing plastic use help protect these species and their habitats.
And the last, decrease carbon emissions. The production of disposal of plastic contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. Using fewer plastic can help reduce carbon footprints. Carbon sequestration. Organic waste can contribute to carbon sequestration when it decomposes. The decomposition process consumes carbon dioxide, which can help mitigate greenhouse gas levels in the atmosphere.
Recycling and biodegradation. Many types of trash, especially plastic, can be broken down by microorganisms over time. This biodegradation process can recycle materials back into the ecosystem. Also, care must be taken to ensure that non-biodegradable items do not persist and cause harm.